9:01 Central. As most mornings, financials are dead. I switched over to June. There's nothing really going on at all. It just is a little scalp type of trade here. There's resistance in bonds up there, but between 16 and 20. It kind of floats up there and looking for, if you're bearish, looking for a scalp sell. That area, keep that area in mind, 16 to 20-ish. There's some support down here in June bonds at 08. If they start maybe trading some 02s, the 8's gone, maybe it can start to drift to the downside. There's some support down there at 116.25. I'm kind of watching 5-year. They're also 5-year. Watching 10-year. They're dead. But if they could take out the overnight low, trade some, offered even, trade some 31 halves, they could drop down to some support down at 27. Not much of a trade, but I'm kind of keeping that in mind just because nothing else going on with those. If they want to take them back a little bit higher, looking for maybe a little sell up there around 7.5 and 10-year too. S&P got an upside bias on them. We talked about that 895 half before on these tapes, pretty much held overnight. Heard about some other interest in trying to be buyers above 905. So that's, kind of keeping me more thinking upside. Open, they did bump into some resistance up here. There's talk around this, up around 48.50. Someone's got some interest in selling. That's 69.48, 69.50. So far that's holding, but I do give the S&P an upside bias. I want to see nearby support hold, 69.32 for now. Even though I'm bullish on stocks, I think there is a fade up there at 69.58. I'm going to keep that in mind, 69.58, and also a fade up at 69.72 in S&P.